We're here today with, unfortunately, captain of a losing team, Harbour View's Ryan Wellington. First of all, unfortunate result. What went wrong today?
Well, I don't even know what went wrong, but one of them days, I think it's something we have to go through when we are champion. Some of the time we have to take a step back or maybe 2 step back to go forwards, look at some things, go back to the drawing board and come back again. Still believe in our team that we can defend our title, we can go all the way. So I think we just have to put this aside and come back again, prepare for the next match starting from tomorrow.
Until very recently, Harbour View was undefeated, and getting 2 losses in quick succession. What does that mean for the season?
Well, I don't think it means anything for the season. I think most of the time when you're winning, you have a good momentum, and the least it could maybe a draw or a lose, your momentum kind of drop. So all we have to do is just believe in ourselves again, believe that we can do it, because we've been doing it from the back in the last season and to the early part of this season. So once we get it right again, I think there will be nothing to stop us again.
And what adjustments do you guys have to make going forward after some poor performances recently?
Well, and I don't think that we need much adjustment, Just some little stuff, some little intangibles we need to fix inside the training session so that we can even better them inside of the game, and I think everything will be alright.
Alright, unfortunate result today, but good luck going forward.
Yeah man, thank you. All right.